Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable or disable spell check on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable or disable spell check on Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings. Then click on languages. Now scroll down. Look, this one is a spell check, and by default spell checking option is disabled. Click to enable a spell check. Now you will find two type of spell check: basic spell check and enhanced spell check. Just click on enhanced spell check, and now use a spell check for the language. Select spell checking for English, United States. Click on here to enable a spell check for English. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.